Alright. Got some green grips. Okay. More green. Wonder what that's for. Like this. Who's that? We got a plastic key.
Think I may be losing my mind. Oh, I already lost it. Already lost it. Damn, I may be losing my mind. Now don't tell me that I lost it. That I lost it.
Wait a minute, Mr. Postman. It's open. Oh, we got some spoke skins. Wonder what that's for. Ain't gonna say just yet. What we got here? Whoa. That's a bar pad. Outlaw bar pad off design. I'll put links and prices. That was cheap though, that was like a saw. And then this was like $8. I remember. Alright. Got some goggles. Let's open these joints up. These just some cheap $10 goggles just so I can ride around on my little bike. You only go 40 miles an hour. I know you're not supposed to get the cheap goggles, but just had a little gravel go up in my face yesterday, so I just wanted to get something a little cool, kind of, you know, put on my face. I'm riding at night. Usually during the day I use my sunglasses, but I'm still practicing and learning how to ride a little pit bike, so you know what I'm saying, I don't need nothing too crazy. Biggest hard drive you most ever had. Once here, everybody lasts a minute. Alright. Got some green grips. Okay. More green. Wonder what that's for. You don't see. I ain't gonna say just yet. Got us a shift lever. Lever. You know, collapsible joint. Yeah. We got us a whole throttle assembly. Put it on and off with the kill switch. As that. Yeah. What's this? It's like a lot smaller than I thought. I don't be looking at the dimensions. I was just looking how many lumens it has. People were saying it's the best one for the price. Okay, that don't look too bad. Today a critical mass. I couldn't find my other one. Good thing it came right in time for the ride. Yes sir, yes sir. Got some more chain lube. I gave away the other one in the raffle, so I had to get some more chain lube. Same one I had before. See, I was talking about, it came with a little joint too. Hold on. Finna get stitchy. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Straight like that. Just a little, huh? Oh yeah. All right. 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 Let me go get the helmet. Shot. You know what I'm saying? Catch me a trap. Shot. You know, like this. Who's that? Hello? Who is this? I'm gonna put some decals on this joint. You know what I'm saying? Got some adhesive vinyl. Got the, you know, silhouette. Cut it. You see? Catch me in traffic, man. Straight like that. Leg up. Miss Postman dropped something off for me while I was away. Wait a minute, Mr. Postman. Wait. Well, yeah. Like some foot pads. Or a dirt bike. Look like the me. Foot pegs. Got these off Design. Yeah, it was in an Amazon bag, goofy. I got these off Design. I think these is like a saw, somewhere around $10. They I don't know. It don't seem like the best quality metal, steel, aluminum, whatever they use. I forgot. I gotta look. I'll put the link. Prices on there, but I don't know. I had a bunch of reviews and they was decent. So these I'm putting on the XR. One of the upgrades for the XR 100 because those stock pegs are tiny and full. So we gonna make sure got some good standing grip on there. You know? Whoa. Whoa. What do we have? What do we have here? We got plastic kit. Dude. As for the Apollo 110, I got a CRF 50. Green, as you can see, plastic. Uh-oh, it's about to get real. Let's see what we got. Bike Master, 6-in-1 spoke wrench. Good for my BMX bikes and my dirt bikes. Definitely come in handy. Yeah, what's this? What's this? Got a new sprocket, chain ring. Well, this is actually a Amazon return. That's why I like Amazon. Look, it's still brand new, man. It's an Amazon return. JT sprockets, 52. That's what comes stock on that XR 100. But you could tell when the chain been used, chain ring been used. But look at that, $10. The original price is like 37. Almost 40 bucks, and I got it for 10.
Several days later.
All right, Mr. Postman, what you got for me today, Mr. Postman? Wait a minute, Mr. Postman. Wait. Got for me today, Mr. Postman. Whoa. With Velar Motorsport heavy duty drive chain. That is for the Honda 93 XR100. Brand new chain. Now I got a new chain. I got a new chain and new sprockets. What else you got for me, Mr. Postman? What we got us? Seat cover. That's I got from the Zon. This I got off of eBay. That is it. That's what will be going on. But yeah, I'm gonna have to do some. I don't know. Hopefully, we can make it fit. I saw somebody in one of the Facebook groups use one, so probably gonna have to cut it and do a bunch of other bullshit. Looks way too big for it, but shit. Sure gonna try to make it work, yeah. What I'm gonna do is take the seat off and take the old seat cover off and then just measure it. Basically just cut it out from there.